everyone, welcome back to the Adobe Lightroom 5 crash course. Today we're going to jump right into the program and talk about the program layout first of all. So once you open Adobe Photoshop Lightroom 5, this is what you'll get before you've imported any photos or anything like that. And let me go through this program with you. So over here on the left you have this module where you can basically navigate your files and organizations of your photos. So you have your navigator here, your catalog, which has all your photographs on your computer from previous imports. You can create quick collections. You can look through your folders on your hard drive through here. It's kind of like your documents or your finder. Here you have collections, smart collections, and these are, for example, you can rate all of your photos in Lightroom from 1 to 5, and those with 5 stars, it will all show up in this smart collection. And then publish services, you can set it up so it publishes directly to Facebook, Flickr, Behance, etc. To your hard drive. And so that's this module over here on the left. Down here you'll see this import export button, so those are important. That's going to be how you import. Up here on the top right are a couple different tabs for the program itself. So your library, this is going to be where you search through your photos, and next lesson we're going to actually import photos, so you'll see that better. Develop is where you're going to actually develop your photos. As you can see here, there's lots of tools on the right side, which we'll be going over in depth. Map, book, slideshow, print, and web. Those are all more advanced Lightroom techniques. And so for this class, we're just going to be doing library and develop. Down here right here in the center rather, is where you're going to actually be seeing your photographs, sorting through them in the library, or developing them. Down here at the bottom there are a few options we'll talk about in the future. And then down here is a little tray. At the bottom of Lightroom is a tray for all of your photos that you can look through while you're developing. So that's pretty much the layout. Up here of course you have your file, your menu up here. So file has all your options for importing photos as well. Setup, basically, the basics of Lightroom. Edit, this will have to do with while you're editing, you can undo, redo certain things. Library, you can use these to filter your photographs. Again, like we talked about before, you can flag certain ones, you can rate certain ones, and you can filter so you only see photographs rated 2 or above, 2 stars or above. Photo right here, quick options for editing your photos, rotating, flipping, setting, rating, etc. And all these things also have hotkeys. So to set ratings, you can just press 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 on your keyboard to give it a rating, for example. Metadata, this is if you want to add more data to your photos. So it's basically kind of like fine print that you don't see on the photograph itself. It's just stored in the file, and so you can basically add metadata, for example, to a photo. Say you took a bunch of photographs on a trip to Las Vegas, and then for all of those photos you add the keyword Las Vegas, and so then whenever you search or import using keywords or whatever, you can easily find all of those photographs. View, this will help you change the layout of your program as well as window. So all these things you can do as well, and of course there's a help section. So that's pretty much the layout, but let's get into actually using Lightroom. So in the next lesson we're going to be importing photographs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me through the course site or at videoschoolonline.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.